1918 saw not only the end of the Great War, but also the birth of a great British company, which has contributed to the development of the best machines in the world today, both in the sky and on the ground. Welcome to Boneham and Turner. We are celebrating our 100-year anniversary and continue to produce vital components for the aerospace and motor industries across the world, while investing in advanced technology, lean growth, productivity, and people. Relationships built on transparency and honesty is why our business is thriving in both the US and the UK markets. We are effective, reliable, and outstanding precision engineers. Manufacturing a huge variety of components. Managing client expectations. Keeping stock ready to dispatch at short notice. That's why Boneham and Turner define quality. Customer service is paramount, and we at Boneham and Turner believe in making a difference and will continue to improve and innovate to be the perfect supplier.